Dealing with the qt5 graphics interface Debug DLL error in Qt project app? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. Let's look at the engineering steps I've prepared to fix it. As we get into the manual process for qt5 graphics interface debug, you can find a professional maintenance utility for environment stability. This is the qt5 graphics interface debug, the Debug GUI version of the qt5 graphical user interface library. It is used by developers to track UI rendering errors. If a consumer app reports this missing, the developer left a debug flag in the production build. Replacing it with a renamed retail qt5guid DLL is a common workaround. Now that we've covered what the file does, let's jump into our first fix. Since this involves a protected library, we should use the standard Windows repair protocol. Execute sfc/scan now from an elevated command prompt to detect registry inconsistencies and repair files like qt5 graphics interface debug DLL. If the application still won't initialize, we need to shift our focus to how the Windows loader is interacting with the library. A system reboot is a reliable way to clear away zombie processes that might be interfering with qt5 graphics interface debug. It's a low-impact step that ensures your operating system is starting with a synchronized environment. Before you restart, please bookmark this video or click the like button so that it's waiting for you in your library for the next step. Following the restart, if the diagnostic status remains unchanged, please execute the commands in step 3. If you need to pause the video to review the syntax, please do. Since the restart failed to clear the diagnostic error, we'll manually refresh the system counter manifests. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodc_r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, performance DLLs rely on accurate registry indexing to function. This step wipes the existing counter registration and forces the system to reconstruct a healthy link to the diagnostic manifests. I want to share a quick best practice that will help you avoid security complications in the future. From a diagnostic standpoint, a missing qt5 graphics interface debug DLL error is often just a symptom of a larger system conflict that a simple manual download is incapable of fully resolving. To ensure your environment stays properly configured, a professional diagnostic can help verify that your library references remain intact. If your workstation feels less efficient, the resource below provides background information on managing qt5 graphics interface debug. If this fix repaired qt5 graphics interface debug dependency issue, please like the video and subscribe to stay informed on maintaining a secure and stable PC.